How to monitor rsyslog. SNMP monitoring doesn't provide enough insights on rsyslog. What if you want to monitor not only general performance statistics on this rsyslog process, but also events throughput for every input, queue statistics like maximum size of the queue, how many messages there are in a queue at a moment, how often the queue was full, etc. To get these statistics, you need to configure an impstats module. The name of the module impstats means input module for process statistics. You can use impstat for ad hoc troubleshooting or systematic monitoring. To enable impstats module, put following lines at the beginning of etc rsyslog.conf. This configuration must be placed at the top of rsyslog.conf, otherwise the statistics can be incomplete. Let's go through the config and understand what every parameter means. The interval parameter defines how often to generate stats. For general monitoring, it can be something between 10 and 600, depending on how often things are changing. If you are trying to troubleshoot a particular short issue like an event lost caused by queue getting full, you can set this parameter to 1. With the resetCounters parameter, we tell rsyslog to show only deltas between last statistics and now. The next line tells rsyslog to write statistics to a local file. This can be especially useful for situations when you are dealing with full queues. The log.syslog off parameter disables sending stats data through the normal processing pipeline. Now let's restart rsyslog and check the new log. We can see that several similar lines are written periodically on defined interval. Each line provides statistics to some part of rsyslog, like a subsystem, a module, or a queue. Each line has a fixed structure, a timestamp, a statistic object that reports the statistics, an origin, a module or a queue, and all available counters for this object. The first line tells us the following lines are generated by the impstats subsystem. The next line shows statistics that came from MacLeod Unix socket input module, if there any rate limiting happened. In the next line we see that 4,614 bytes were sent to this UDP destination. The following lines provides more information about syslog forwarding output action. The next line provides detailed performance statistics about CPU and memory. Read main get R usage to understand the meaning of fields and resource usage line. The next line shows the size and other information about the output queue. The last line shows information about the main queue. The log file can be analyzed manually with a script or sent to a monitoring system. I will describe this later in other videos.